All right, YouTube, welcome back. We are here with one of our... All right, YouTube, welcome back. We are here with another blah, blah. All right, YouTube, welcome back. We are here with another one of our videos, our quick videos. So behind us, we have a mean streak, Kawasaki mean streak. All right, this customer came in. He has a couple bikes, so this is one of the bikes in his stable. He wanted to show some love with us as well, so we're gonna get to it. Basically what he did a light kit, did some bars, changed the bars out, tried to bring it up to date. All right, without further ado, let's get to it. All right, this Kawasaki mean streak is, I believe it's a 03, 04, around that age bracket, but she is beautiful. She has a custom dragon theme paint job on it. All right, coming with some Vance 9 pipes. So, like I said, I know it's not one of our Harley-Davidson videos, but we love motorcycles, so this is what it is. All right, so now what he wanted to do is the bars were a little too forward. I think they were like cafe style bars, so they're too forward. So he wanted to pull them back just a little bit. So we went with some Harley-Davidson bars. All right, so 10 inch up, 2-inch riser, so it's really 12 inches, right? We had to do a few modifications, but she ride good. Took her on a little test ride. He had to change the mirrors as well. Those are the mirror options that he went with. So I think he'd be very happy with the way this beauty came out. All right, we're gonna cut the lights. Hopefully the camera catch up everything. I wanna show off that light job that we did as well. All right, here it is. Whoa. So we went with an LED glow light kit. All right, it's one of the kits that we offer as well. This kit laid out pretty good. There's a total of 11 strips on this bike. He had one left over, so we're gonna save that just in case something happens as a spare strip. But you have a slew of colors. I see a lot of bikes come in without the front wheel lit up, so we have action on both sides of the wheel. All right, that's what we do here, LEDs and bags. Up front is lit up very well. I'm gonna flip through some of the colors. Motor is jamming pretty good. And then we couldn't leave out the back end of the bike. So tastefully done, well lit up. And as you see, there's a slew of different color options that you can flip through. There's a flash option, a low strobe. There's an option where it goes through all the colors. I won't do the flash just for video purposes. I don't want to mess your eyes up, but that's the white. I think you can dim it down. There's a few options. It comes with a remote control, so you get 2 remote controls. But here she is. So more or less when you see it in front of the banner, she's either has been picked up or ready to be picked up. So enjoy your ride, sir. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and show the video some love. Hit like, subscribe, and take a look at the other videos. Until next time, we got other work to do. Oh, did it anyway. But we'll catch you guys on the next one with that note. All right, peace.